They reckon a great lawn is a lot of work, but I reckon they just don't have the right equipment. The RYOBI 18V ONE HP mower makes mowing a great lawn a whole lot easier. It's got a brushless motor, giving high performance power and increased efficiency so you can cut through even the longest grass. And being cordless means no more refuels, no pull cords, less noise and maintenance. There's a few features on this mower that really stand out. The first thing you notice is the sleek design. This 37cm EasyEdge polymer deck lets you cut right to the edge of your garden beds. Like your lawn at just the right height? Then the mower can be easily adjusted between 6 positions, from as low as 25mm up to 70mm. Reduce the downtime between battery changes with the RYOBI 18V HP mower's onboard battery storage. And once you're done, comfortably carry the mower and store it away with the quick fold collapsible handles. Doesn't get much easier.
RYOBI, a cut above.